What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, the Bitcoin price right now is approaching this key level of resistance right here. And everyone wants to know right now, if you're trading Bitcoin, if you're holding Bitcoin, what is going to be happening in the next 24 to 48 hours? Because the Bitcoin price right here could easily see a push upwards into the 70s or quite easily get rejected all the way back down to my bearish local price target of $57,900 guys. Today I want to talk about that in today's video. I want to update you about my trade, which is still $14,000 in profit. I want to share this and this in today's video. So as always guys, sit back, relax and get ready for the video. All right guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you out there watching. It truly does mean the world to me. If you do want to drop a like on today's video, that will be amazing, and comment literally anything down below and you will enter to win $100 every single Monday. Get those comments in, and of course guys, if you're in the UK, USA or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content, and this is not financial advice. Please consult a legal financial advisor if you wish to do so. So let's take a look at the charts. What is going on? I know I've been away for a while. I got sick again, unfortunately. I was traveling to multiple countries. Now I'm back home in my beautiful office and ready to push out content. So what is happening right now? Because we can see on the chart clearly, we saw a breakout from this descending triangle right here. We reached up here to approximately 66K. We saw a break from this level, which is amazing. And now we have currently formed a lower high on the wicks. If we look at candlesticks, we've actually formed a higher high, whereas with wicks, we've actually formed a lower high, which is definitely a little bit concerning, because that would then signify that we would see some kind of rejection back down to this range right here. Now, I am still in my trade, for those of you asking. It's currently around 13,000 US dollars in a profit, and I do still have my open orders right here. We can see around 16.3 Bitcoin open order all the way down here at 46,000 US dollars. I am still pretty confident that we are going to go lower. I think potentially we could see a spike upwards and then a drop back down lower. Again, that could happen in my opinion. We could see a rejection right here and a spike back up here and a final liquidity grab back down here. And again, previous videos I've told you my bear market target, guys, if we look on the weekly chart, my bear market target is around this range. And if we go over here and bring up the moving averages right here, it's somewhere between around 46 to around 57K, somewhere in that range. I believe Bitcoin is going to go this bear market. It could be the high 50s, it could be the mid to low 40s. I don't know exactly where. If I knew exactly where, I would be telling you exactly where it would go, but that is my target for this bear market. And as we start to go a little bit lower, as I did right here, I'll be starting to load up on Bitcoin for buying spot on exchanges as well. And of course, trying to short to the closest I can to the bottom and then enter a long position somewhere when we are in this range right there. That is exactly why I've got this open order set here at 46,000 US dollars for 16 Bitcoin right there. All right, guys, quick pause on the video. I want to tell you about a platform worth knowing about. It's called SimpleFX and it's been around since 2014. You've probably seen me make videos on them in the past, so this isn't a new concept or a new platform. They're regulated across multiple different jurisdictions, and the platform itself is super straightforward to use. And I want to tell you about something very special, a crazy offer which they have in just a second, with no minimum deposits, no commission fees, and you're not locked into one market either. Pretty much over 1,000 different instruments, crypto, forex, indices, commodities, equities, and metals, all in one account from your web, desktop, mobile, or in fact the app as well. So right now, first time users get trade insurance as well, which is something pretty much revolutionary to trading, which I want to share with you in just a second. If your first trade actually closes at a loss, SimpleFX refunds it as a credit bonus up to $300, fully automatic, no claim forms, no promo code needed. This is revolutionary. On top of that, also guys, there is a first time deposit bonus as well, and it scales with how much money you put in. Deposit $20, you're going to get $8. Put in $100, you'll get $40 extra. Go bigger, $2,000 deposit, deposit will get you a straight $1,000 bonus. And if you're serious about trading, a $10,000 deposit unlocks the max $5,000 bonus. That's credit landing straight into your account automatically. Full terms, of course, are on the Simple FX website. So this is running for a limited time only, guys. Amazing trade insurance for your first trade, and also a great first time deposit bonus. I've been trading on Simple FX for multiple years right now, guys, and all the link with the information and the sign up link will be down below. Let's get back into the content. So I also want to take a look at the liquidation heat map, because towards the top side right here, we can see that we have a lot of liquidation leverage up here at approximately $67,000. So it's sitting just a little bit above where we are up here to around $67,400. So it wouldn't be out of the question if we were to see, if I go back to the 4-hourly chart right here, it wouldn't be out of the question if we were to see some kind of a push towards the upside, grab that liquidity, and then a dump back down, all the way back down here to 57K, in my opinion. It wouldn't be unlikely. Again, up here, just a little bit below 68K, get the liquidity, and then a further retracement. However, that would then mean we have a new higher high right there if that was to happen, and that could go ahead and unveil a new whole identity of problems for the market. So we can talk about that when it does happen, but as of now, we've seen a lower low right there. So I'm expecting a little push back towards the downside. Again, crypto has been incredibly boring. We are literally at the same price we were almost a month ago. Nothing's really changed. It's a bear market. It's boring. I completely understand, guys. I do appreciate you watching my videos, though. I do want to talk about this, though, guys, because previously, we can see right here, DEXA dropped 90%, which is actually insane. All the way from around $50 down to around $4.73. And if you were, in fact, part of my trading group right here, Chart Chasers, with over 1,000 members now, we can see that we did actually trade this in the group right here on a 2x short and made 166% profit. And we can see right here in this chat right there, we can see, I believe it was maybe the previous chat up here, we can see that somebody, there we go, this trader actually made 120% in 5 minutes, which is absolutely crazy. So definitely go ahead and join Chart Chasers. The link will be down below. Again, it's completely free. Not even a single cent or a single USDT is changed hands. These are just trades that I am personally making. Again, not financial advice. If you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please not join the group or interact with my videos, unfortunately. However, the group is there down below the video. If you did want to go ahead and join it, you can go ahead and see what is going on over there. So this was amazing. Now it's down 90%, which is amazing. Again, traded that on a 2x, made a cheeky 160% profit, which is very nice indeed. And again, that is all posted on my X and inside the Chart Chasers group as well. I want to talk about this, guys, finally in today's video, and it's the Bitcoin percent of supply in a profit. And this usually signals a bottom of the bear market every single time. And again, it's flashing once again. Previously, 2012, 43%, 36% in 2015, 39% in 2019, and 45% in 2022, 2023. We're now currently at about 46%. Again, it doesn't say that exactly in this range we are going to have the bottom, but it does signal that potentially in this area, in this range, we could be seeing a little bit of a hint that the bottom will in fact be in. Let me know down below in the comments. Do you think that the Bitcoin bottom is in? Are you going ahead and buying Bitcoin at these price levels? I would love to know your exact opinion, guys. That is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Again, not really too much happening. I really do appreciate the support. Get your comments in down below. Don't forget to check out Simple FX down below as well, and also all the other exchange partners which are partnered with my channel. Absolutely amazing. And again, if you want to follow me on Twitter, you can go ahead and do so and get much more accurate live information right here that I post every few hours. You can see 30 minutes ago. And again, over in the Telegram group, if you did want to get free analysis there, that is free. Chart Chasers link is down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.